outside a shop with Christmas decorations. Mira, the market looks so bright today. Yes, I love these Christmas lights. This star looks beautiful. My mom buys a new star every year. Do you decorate your house? Yes, we decorate the balcony and the door. My neighbor decorates their whole house. People enjoy this season a lot. Yes, everything feels warm and happy. Walking through the market. Do you buy a Christmas tree every year? No, we keep a small, reusable one. Nice. We buy a fresh one from a shop. Do you decorate it together? Yes, my sister helps me. My brother hangs all the small ornaments. Kids love that part. True, they enjoy it more than adults. I buy bells, ribbons, and snowflakes for my tree. I buy fairy lights, they glow so nicely. You know, we talk in present indefinite right now. Yes, we use it for habits, facts, and regular actions. The structure is simple. Subject plus verb first form plus object. Example, we celebrate Christmas in December. For negative sentences, subject plus do does not plus verb first form. I do not buy a big tree. For questions, do does plus subject plus verb. Do you decorate your house? Easy. We use it all the time. At a bakery. Wow, the bakery smells so good. Yes, they bake plum cake for Christmas. My family buys one every year. We bake cookies at home. That sounds fun. My mom makes chocolate cookies. Do you help her? Yes, I mix the batter. I love baking. It relaxes me. The bakery also sells gingerbread. My sister eats gingerbread in one bite. Kids get excited about sweets. True, my cousin jumps when he sees cake. Sitting on a bench watching kids play. Kids wait for Santa every year. Yes, they write small wishes. My neighbor's kids write a new list every day. That is cute. Do you play Secret Santa in school? Yes, every year. I enjoy it so much. Same, I love gifting. What do you gift usually? Chocolates, keychains, and notes. I gift plants sometimes. That's sweet. Plants make good gifts. Talking about Christmas around the world. Christmas looks different in every country. Yes, my aunt lives in London. It snows there. People make snowmen, right? Yes, they wear warm clothes and drink hot chocolates. My cousin lives in Australia. Do they celebrate differently? Yes, they celebrate at the beach. Wow, that sounds fun. They wear Santa hats and eat ice creams. India has its own charm. Yes, we use lights, stars, sweets, music. Churches look beautiful at night. People sing carols and visit families. Christmas vocabulary. Simple words. Star. The glowing decoration on top. Ornaments. Small decorative items for the tree. Carols. Christmas songs. Plum cake. Special Christmas cake. Lights. Small glowing bulbs. Wreath. Round decoration on the door. Santa hat. Red and white cap. Nativity. Scene of baby Jesus. Stocking. Long sock for gifts. Snowflakes. Small white ice designs. Fill in the blanks. Use present indefinite. We dash decorate the house every Christmas. She dash not buy a big tree. Do you dash sing carols? My family dash bake cookies in December. He dash not like plum cake. Make 5 sentences about how your family celebrates any festival. Use present indefinite only. Correct the sentences. She celebrates Christmas every year. They doesn't visit church. Do he like Santa? Comment Christmas English please. If you want more festival-based English lessons with natural conversations.